Today we're going to have fun creating our own stencil to make a blue sky with a toilet paper tube. I'm Emily, and you found Emilee's Paper Caper, where we're all about scrapping our stash and getting some pages done. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe and the bell icon now so you don't miss any ideas. So have you seen card makers make beautiful blue cloudy sky backgrounds for their cards with a template? I love that effect, but you can make your own cloud stencil just by freehanding a few puffy clouds on a toilet paper tube. Just cut that tube in half and then freehand. I'm going to show you how that works. I've selected some Versacolor ink and a color box blending tool, and we will create a blue sky. I will plan to do another video showing a page using this background paper, but today I just want to focus on the technique of creating this cloudy sky. There's so many pictures that I take this time of year, either flowers in my mom's garden or pictures outside. I've got some photos my husband took when he went golfing with a friend that I want to scrapbook, and just kind of a unique background, something different, and also using supplies on hand. Who doesn't have a toilet paper tube? I hope you have a toilet paper tube. Haven't we gotten through the problems with the supply chain? I sure hope so. So you see how just randomly I've moved this around and it starts to create the effect of fluffy clouds. This will be a fun background for a page. You don't have to spend a lot of money on a stencil to do this. The stencils I've seen on the market, sure, they work great. Why not pocket that money that you'd spend on the stencil to do this? Just create your own. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried this, or if you do try it. I'd love to see an example of what you create. Tag me on Instagram at egrup284. I'm always scrapping my stash and trying different things. Here are a couple more videos with ideas for creating backgrounds with plain white paper. Keep on scrapping, everybody.